Namaste guys, welcome to Handmade, my YouTube account. My name is Sunny. On this channel, I share DIY projects with you guys. So today for you guys, I have made this terrarium fused with Akari lamp and I hope you enjoy this project. I would also like to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video. And you can also hit the bell icon to get notifications for my future project videos. I would appreciate your support. And now let's create. To begin, I drew alphabet A on a sheet of paper as a stencil for my today's project. And I'm gonna use a set of pliers and wire to form a 3D cage for my Terrarium Akari lamp. And this is the part of the project that took a bit longer, but it is the base of our project and I had to get it right. So all I did is I bent the wire with exact measurements starting from one point and without making any joints or cuts, ending it at the starting point after completing the whole 3D form of this alphabet. And now there is 2 whole minutes of me forming this 3D alphabet and I would let you enjoy it and then we'll talk about my next step. For my next step, I made paper plants, well, 2 palm plants and monstera. Starting with this one, I made the leaf part and the stem part separately and glued them together. It's a simple shape. I have got 10 leaves with all the stems of the same length for now, which I would adjust later. Moving on to the next palm tree. This one with a generic palm tree leaf shape with few slits in it, and I gave it a wave texture. Again, leaf and stem of different colors, glued them together. And for my monstera, I had this shape with few tiny holes in it. Now once I had all of the leaves ready, I made tiny cones out of paper to glue all of my leaves to it and form one plant. At this part, I also adjusted the length of the stems and rolled and bent the leaves and stems to give them more volume and shape. And now let's talk about this 3D form to which I added a thick base for support and to form a platform for my plants to sit on. I also tied this alphabet at places where it could hold the shape firmly. In this step, I glued transparent cellophane sheet and I glued it onto our alphabet with silicone, leaving the front edge for the last. Now before I covered this alphabet with this sheet, I added a strip of yellow LED lights that I glued in a circle on top of our alphabet from inside. I also added plants to the base of alphabet and finally covered the front of it with cellophane sheet. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this project. You can see all of my projects and posts on Instagram as well at CreativeHeadHM. I will see you guys soon. Do take care. Love and light. Bye.